white beard, black jeans. He's grabbing his phone.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Right by the lake, right there, he's yelling.
I don't give a fuck.
He's okay. He's okay. He's our brother. He's our brother.
Man, that bitch ain't got nothing to do with me.
It's his first wedding.
Back up. Back up.
First wedding. It's his
Back
first
up.
wedding.
Shut up.
Listen,
Back
it's his
up.
first wedding.
Back up. Back up. Move out of the way. 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 Man, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Have any weapons?
Come here for a second. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Don't you slap my motherfucking sister.
Danny.
Get away from him. That motherfucker ain't got it. Step back.
Back up. Back up.
You touch my sister.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Hold on. Guys, hold on. Back up. What's up, man? What's up? Talk to me. Okay. Hey, talk to me. I'm all right. Hold on. No, I'm all right. No.
I'm serious rapper in Virginia.
Let me stay here. All right, you good? No, I'm okay. I'm all right. Sit. Go back up. Get some water? Huh? Need some water? No, I'm all right. Okay, give me a napkin, man. Give me a napkin. Hold on a second. Get a call. No. I'm all right. Make a call, man. All right, back up here. No, back up. It's coming. No, I'm all right. All right. You used to be a law enforcement officer. All right, I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm just making sure. Let me help you up. All right.
Right by the lake, right there, he's yelling. Yeah, right there, the big guy.
I don't give a fuck.
He's okay. He's our brother.
Man, that bitch ain't got nothing to do with me.
Hey, partner. Hey.
Shut up.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Step away from him. Step away from him. Let's get some more units over here. Step away from him. Hey. Let it go. Taser. Get away from him. Get away from him now. Step back, ma'am. Step back.
You touch my sister? Hey, you touch my sister?
Some more units over here.
Wait.
Step back.
Just wrong.
Put your hands. Step back. Put your hands by your back now. Put your hands. Get off me! We get some units over here now. Got one down. We get some units over here now. Stay back. Get over there. Stay back. Get over there. Stay back. Yes, I'm serious. Get back. It's crime scene. Get back. He punched me in the back of my head. Get back. Get back. They're coming now. Get back. Stay back. Stay back. Yes, you get back.
Don't touch me. Get back.
Man, get up. Get off. Get back. Get back. We're at Stay back. Stay back.
I'm a nurse.
We're fine, ma'am. Stay back.
Do something! That's a shooter! Do that!
I shot him.
Do something!
Get back! Get back! Get back! We're not gonna tell you again. Get back!
Hey, you got to worry about me.
I'm worried about him. We're not shot. No, he's shot. You okay? You shot?
I'm taking him to the hospital.
Are you okay? Great. Get back! I'm not gonna tell you again.
Or what?
I'm gonna put you in jail. Get back now.
Come on, I'm taking him to the hospital. No, I'm taking him to the hospital.
You got a problem with me?
Relax, please.
You want a problem? You're gonna find one.
Please.
You better find something to do. Stay back.
He done lost his fucking son. What's a lot to do over there?
Mind your business. He's got enough people over here. Stay back. Stay back.